Welcome to Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary for market week ending Friday, February 7th, 2014. Market breadth. With this past week's market decline, our bull-bear point and figure ratio fell from 0.93 to 0.74, continuing further into bearish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns fell 5% to 2,063. The count of bearish stocks increased 5%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 16%. The Sand to Pearls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 2 consecutive weeks in bearish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Excel data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking on the Membership tab, and clicking Sign Up. For those who are interested, a free 2-week trial subscription is available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 251 points for the 15th decline in 27 weeks. At a negative 76.97 points, it continues below all 8 tops above plus 100 and above all 6 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 35 months. Market gauge volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Russell 2000 ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, it had 0 accumulation days and 7 distribution days. Of the other indexes, the S&P 500 deposit receipts and the Diamonds Trust both ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Russell 2000 ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. With 10 days below zero, the CCI 20 daily continues the downtrend begun last week. With the CCI 20 within the plus or minus 50 range, it could present a zero-line reject entry point should it drop within the next few days. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 51 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's downtrend 1 week ago. The CCI 20 weekly has now dropped within the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject entry signal should one develop. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Bullish REITs remains in the top 5. Networkers has re-entered the top 5. S&P Retail has left the bottom 5. Oil has entered the bottom 5. Banks has left the bottom 5. Bearish, brokers remains in the bottom 5. Disk drives has entered the bottom 5. Computer hardware has left the top 5 and entered the bottom 5. Oil services has left the bottom 5. Gold and silver has re-entered the top 5. Focus this week from RT. Financial world shaken by 4 bankers' apparent suicides in a week. Something unusual is definitely happening in the banking world. Thank you for tuning in for this week's Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary. Hoping that you're having a wonderful, restful, peaceful weekend, that you have a great week coming up, and we wish you true success.